everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1956 Chevrolet 150. Love this car, man. It's finished in tropical turquoise. This is the original color. They put a little bit of a custom two-tone turquoise and white interior. Beautiful car, man. My buddy Scott down in Tennessee is the one who found me this car. Car's actually out of North Carolina. Gorgeous car. 3,900 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Beautifully done. If you've watched my videos, you know I love 56s. They are really kind of my favorite of the Tri-5s, and I love the 150 package. I love the stripped down versions. I think they're just super cool. Very nicely done car. As you can see, it's got slick paint. I love this color too. As you kind of walk around it, you'll get that turquoise, you'll get the green, and then you kind of move and you get the blue. And I mean, I just think this is a cool color on these cars. Screams 50s. Again, it is the original color. It sits great. It's got 18 and 20 inch Billet Specialty wheels. Chrome and stainless is gorgeous. Car runs and drives excellent. I mean, really hits the road good. Touch-up mark there. You can see the chrome and stainless is really nice on this car too. This is a cool color. One of my favorite colors out of the 50s, I will tell you that. And like I say, as you walk around it, I think it is it's one of those colors that as you see it at night, as you see it in the morning, it's got different shades to it as you walk around it. Glass is nice. I am a 56 fan. I like it, you know, like I say, of the Tri-5s, you know, I think it's the one you see the least, which is one of the reasons I like it the most. This is where you feel these cars. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, that ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It's got 18 and 20 inch Billet Specialty wheels. Body wise, I know they put, I think it's front. They put front floorboards in it. Nice car though, nice and straight, good, solid, straight old Tri-5 Chevy, man. Billet Specialty wheels. This stuff is nice on the car. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. They've converted it to front disc brakes. Just a good running small block 350 Chevy engine underneath the hood, 4-barrel, everything's polished in chrome. I have ordered a new battery cover for it. They had the chrome battery cover. I am not a fan of those. You will never see one on. I think they're dangerous. I think they're a safety hazard. So I've ordered a new battery hold down, just a stock black hold down. I do not like those chrome covers on there. You can see polished intake. They even ceramic coated the ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power disc brakes, vintage air, blows ice cold. They've converted it to electric wipers. 350 turbohydramatic trans, got aluminum radiator with electric fan. Oh, this is cool how they did this too. Electric fan switches underneath the dash. detailed up just beautifully. This is a nice car, and like I say, great driver. Billet rear view mirror. Some little bit of age on you. Chrome around there, dual chrome mirrors. Not a fan of these. Personally, I take those off. I left them on, but new door handles, new door rubbers. You can see the door skins are clean. Love the two-tone interior. Little wave there to your door pad. It's got the Daytona carpet in it, which is really nice. This is removable. The center console, I've been leaving them in. I got to be honest with you, I like them. Seats are nice, padded nice. Headliner's nice. It's got the tilt column with a retro style steering wheel. I love the dash. It's got the classic instruments, white face gauge dash, 3,940 miles. Again, electric wipers. There is your switch for your electric fan. It's got the upgraded vintage switches, upgraded Retrosounds radio. Clock even works. Lokar shifter. Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear end, no big gear. It's got a 323 or something like that. They've actually finished the trunk area, which is cool. Spare. Don't see a jack. Pretty car, man. I love the color. Stainless fuel tank. Little wax there, guys. Seats are nice, comfortable. Like I say, the car drives out great. I love the Daytona carpet. Radio works, blower motor works, air blows ice cold. Almost feel like it's starting to rain out here, but I don't know, maybe it's just gauges all work, holds good oil pressure, everything lights up. Like I say, it's got the electric wipers on it. It's a good car, man. I love the tail lights. Sound, I mean, just a good car. Radio works, just gotta find a station. It'll search. Yep, there it is.
Ken?
Yep,
We'll talk to you
works. Blower motor works. Doors open and close, nice. Electric wipers, that's nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to see all our new inventory. a great day, guys.